Excuse me. Bless the fuck up. Fuck. Go, 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 go. Holy fuck. Holy fuck. Fuck. Okay, you stay by. I'll top. I'll top. Bless up. Bless up. Bless up. It's so far. I want McDonald's. Excuse me. My bad. Excuse me. Excuse me. I just had some chocolate. Sorry. Doesn't matter what you use, same outcome. Excuse me. Bless the fuck up. Excuse me, nasty ass. I'm so sorry about that. Chill the fuck out. Chill the fuck out. It's fine. It's fine. Cute. Sorry, not funny. Maybe you should go, we'll be alright. Some low quality stream. I mean, I could, but it's not fucking. Excuse me. Bless up. So sorry. I'ma just ignore this jinx. Hey, we got it to Silas and excuse me. Sorry about. Meow meow. Meow meow. Tasty. Bless up. Bless up. Sure, he might be like lying to me, but it's like, bye bye. I'm so sorry about that. Sorry. So sorry about that. On Katarina to just roam. Like the fuck. So free. Excuse me, I just fucking inted. Excuse me. Holy fuck. What why? You suck. The whole team's fault. Excuse me. Yum. Excuse me. Oy. Bless up. I'm so fucking broke. Reminds you about it, right? It is very like. Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me. Holy shit, tastes like noodles. Excuse me. Sorry. Excuse me. I wanna watch a scary movie. Oh, bless up. Sorry. Fuck. Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me. Man, shut the hell up. Put Gigi as your background. Excuse me. Fuck AI. That taco count is cursed too. I'm really nauseous. Excuse me. I'm fucking getting hit by a Lux Q, like bro. Excuse me. Shout out to y'alls for making this on the Rift. Who the fuck is doing stocks? Excuse me. Dan Warwick, they got Nog. I'm scared. They got Nog. You listen to. Excuse me. Okay, sleep. Okay, good night. Good night.